How to draw Sisu. We're going to start towards the left side of the page and we're going to draw the left side of Sisu's face. Then we're going to draw her nose and mouth. Then we're going to go back and draw the right part of her nose. We're going to add 2 small colon shapes for the nostrils. Next, we're going to draw her chin and the rest of her face by drawing a big curved line starting below her mouth. Great job learning how to draw Hub Crew! Your drawing's coming along great and we're almost done with the face. We're going to start from the left nostril and we're going to draw a small diagonal line going upwards for the bridge of the nose. Then from that diagonal line we're going to draw a small straight line going up. This will be part of the left eye. From the top of that line that we drew, we're going to draw 2 lines going over to the side of the face. This will be for the eyebrow. Then beneath the eyebrow, we're going to draw the left eye. Great job! Now we're going to draw the pupil for the left eye. Now we're going to take a second to pause so that you can catch up if you need to. Now we're going to move on and draw the right eye. This will be similar to the one that we drew on the left side. And then above the eye, we're going to draw an eyebrow. Now we're going to draw the actual eye and pupil. Great job learning how to draw Hub Crew. Now we're all done drawing Sisu's face. Now we're going to draw her hair and the 2 horns on her head. We're going to start by drawing her hairline across her forehead, and a little bit towards the left side we're going to draw a small U-like shape for where the bottom of her horn will be. Great job! Now we're going to add a few more detailed lines for her hair. Next we're going to start to draw Sisu's horns. We're going to start from that little U-like shape that we made in her hairline, and we're going to draw a curved line going upwards. Then from the point, we're going to draw a straight diagonal line coming down, but we're not going to draw it all the way to the hairline, we're going to stop a little bit before. Then we're going to draw a wavy line at the bottom of the horn. This will make it look like the horn's coming out of her hair. Next, we're going to draw the second horn that's on top of the first one. We're going to start by drawing a curved line from the first horn going upwards, and then we're going to draw another diagonal line coming down. And again we'll add a wavy line for hair at the bottom of this horn. Great job, learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our Sisu is coming along great. Now we just have to draw the rest of her hair. We're going to start on the left side and add a couple curved lines that connect to her first horn. Then we're going to move over to the top of the second horn. We're going to add some big curved wavy lines to look like her hair is flowing. For the rest of her hair, we're going to just continue to make these curvy lines all the way around the right side of her face. You can follow along and draw her hair just like us, or you can draw it however you would like and make yours unique. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our Sisu together. Now we're going to move over below her chin and we're going to add some curved lines coming off of the bottom of her face. Now we're going to move on below the hair that we just made and we're going to make another row of hair. And we're going to connect that to the hair that we drew at the beginning on the right side of the page. You could add some detailed lines in your hair now, or you can add them in after you color. That's what we're going to do. Now we're going to move back over to the horns and we're going to add some details. This is how to draw Sisu. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials like this one, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's color in our Sisu together.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.